Well, good morning there, everybody. It's John here again, and I am in Tofino. So I'm going to take a little walk around town and show you the sights. It's a little bit overcast, but what the heck, it's a good-looking day. Not too bad. So let's go and take a look around and see what we see. All right, well, we're just at a little park here. It's got a beautiful view out over the sound. We'll just head down the Main Street area here and see what's here. Tofino is always a great place to come to. I'll show you some of the surfing spots too as we get through the day, but figured we'd just have a look around the town. Okay, well, we're just going to cut down through here just to see if we can get a little view. Head down these stairs. It's a really, really nice spot. Beautiful gardens, wow. Nice and quiet down here. Seaplane and helicopter tours. See, it's a little socked in around all the islands. Still a nice day though. Well, I'll pause it and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, well, there is the church. It says Main Street in 2nd if you're following along on a map. Little sushi bar. Flowers all coming up. Beautiful garden. Look at the clematis, holy mackerel. How beautiful is that? Wow. That is a funky colored totem pole. It's a little on the pink side. Can't say I've seen that before. Neat building though. Okay, well, take a little walk down here and see what we see. There's a boat going out there. Looks like there's some funky currents out just off the point here. How about that? That the bluebells? Huh. Just starting to see the mountains poking out there. Okay, well, we're just a little further up the road here. There's the Legion, the museum, and the library right there. And this is just across the street from the Coast Guard station. at that boat going out there. Look at that current, man. That's crazy. Holy. Got places for lots of sea kayaking tours. All sorts of boat tours you can take out of here. I practically guarantee they're going to be awesome because this is a really cool area. Alright. Biosphere. There's the Mac Pub. Good spot to get coffee. Oh, cold beer and wine. You can buy it right over there at the Mac. That right there is a thimbleberry in full flower. They form like, it's kind of like red berries. Tasty. They look like a, well, kind of like a half dome sort of thing. There's a native art gallery. Check that out right there. That's cool. Holy cow. There's a hardware store, Co-op Hardware, if you need the odd thing for your travels. I thought we'd just head down here and get a look at the harbor. That native gallery is going to be cool. There's a smoked fish store. Oh, that's dangerous. I'll be stopping in there for sure. Check that out. Oh, gotta like that. I'll pause here and see if I can get a better view. Okay, well, we're just down here by the dock. Got that cool old building there. Check that out. Wow. It's a memorial for the capsizing of a boat. And there's a bit of information about Clayucran Sound. Different population that's around here. There's a little map of everything that's in the area. That's pretty cool. Just want to take a quick stroll down here on the beach. Look at that. Lots of barnacles. Jesus, sand is really solid here too. I think the tide's coming in. I'll have to be quick. Well, I'll carry on a little farther and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Okay, well, there is the Savory Island Pie Company. You can sit outside there and get something to eat. Beautiful view. Seaplane taking off. get a little further along and get back to you in a minute. Alright, well, there's the Co-op Hardware, Sandwich Shop Pharmacy, Driftwood Gifts. Alright, here's the Co-op store. If you need some groceries or anything, that's the place to go. There's a Treehouse Gifts. There's a bank. Okay, what else have we got here? Let's cruise around the Schooner Motel. Another entrance to the Co-op. Okay. That's the other side of the Tofino Museum I showed earlier. Look at those trees, it's just coming into bloom. Oh, I said that, maybe they're already past. Cherry blossoms everywhere. Little craft fashions. Geez, beautiful flower beds in here. Really nice. Look at the poppies. Holy cow. Already out. Alright, that's the Roy Henry Vickers Gallery. He's a very, probably the most famous artist on the West Coast, to be honest. And we got the pharmacy here. Kids playground. Look at the rhododendrons. Holy cow. Oh, check it out. Kids get a total pirate ship, man. I never got a pirate ship. Mark Hobson Gallery. A lot of really high-level artists around here, that's for sure. Okay, so that's where we are. I'll carry on and catch up with you in a minute. Right, well, here's a unique art installation. Found fishing floats. Boy frog. Hey, that's pretty attractive. Oh, hey. Boy pig. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Holy cow. Found objects. The Floatum Gardens. There you go. That's pretty interesting. Geez, all found garbage from along the shoreline there. Alright, well there you go. That's a little walk around Tofino with me. And geez, thanks so much for coming out. It's a beautiful day. All the fog lifted. It's looking nice. Thanks so much for coming by. Look forward to seeing you again in the very next video.